What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So I'm going to take a look at Solana. Currently, we're sitting at $39.36, down 2% on the day. Sitting at market cap of $13.21 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.37 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of their incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime. Travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here's Solana on the one-day chart. So here's the beginning of your bull run. Impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, your largest wave 3, corrective wave 4, and impulsive wave 5. In my opinion, Elliott wave is theory based and it's very subjective. So please take my analysis with a grain of salt. And I do believe you're going through a large ABC correction. And usually when you finish a 5-wave move, your ABC is going to finish prior or at the support of the wave 4, which is currently sitting in between about $19 and $28. So I do think that could be your low for Solana if the low isn't already currently in. So you can see we made a 5-wave structure to complete our wave A. We had our corrective wave B, and I do believe we're making a 5-wave structure all the way down to finish our wave C in between about $18 and $28. So as you can see here, let me open this up. Impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, your largest wave 3. I do think you're going through that corrective wave 4. I'm actually going to pop it open on the 4-hour time frame, and we're looking for that final wave 5. Now we may be going through a WXY, and within a WXY are 3 wave structures, also known as a zigzag correction, where we've come up and we've made A, B, C, come down A, B, C, and once again A, B, and if we bounce here, create that wave C, then we may be looking at this correction being complete before seeing that final wave 5 down to those lower price targets. The thing about the correction is it's very hard to map out. You'll see a lot of people who use Elliott wave theory have different corrective waves, but really the most important thing is finding out where the correction ends, or having a good idea of where the correction ends, to give you confirmation that you're going to see that 5th wave down to those lower price targets. So if we were to bounce up here, then we complete that wave Y, and we'd be looking at a 5-wave structure to the downside to complete that larger wave 5, in my opinion. Now on the 1-hour time frame, I'm just going to zoom into the 1 hour. We may even print it here on the 4-hour. So you can see we might be putting in a little bit of a double bottom pattern here with a bullish divergence on the RSI. And if we pop over to the 1-hour time frame for our friend Solana, you can see here we've come back down to this low while creating a higher low on the RSI. Bullish divergence can then signify that the bears are running out of strength and the bulls are going to push the price back up. So if you do see us push back up to this level of resistance, could be that we're completing that Y leg, and then we're looking for that 5-wave structure to the downside to take us down in between about $18 to about $28, in my opinion, for Solana. To invalidate that, all that has to happen is the wave 4 comes up and breaks the wave 1, and then this would be your bottom for Solana, and we're looking to break out back to the upside. But as of right now, we haven't fully filled this wick yet, coming in at about $35. That does look like what Solana wants to do here. So if we were to bounce up, hit resistance, and we roll and we fall out of this pattern, that's when you could come down in between that $18 to $28 mark. But you could see this as a bit of a falling wedge pattern. So if it does break out to the upside, especially if we come all the way up to retest about $80, could be a stronger sign that the bottom is in for Sol. But I do think there's one more leg down for Bitcoin. So if we come down to 22K BTC, I would expect Sol to come down to these levels in between $18 and about $28, in my opinion. Finish that ABC correction, which usually takes you down prior to the wave 4 low, and then once again jump back into a bull market for Solana. If we go from the high all the way down to that $18 low, you're looking about a 92% correction, which is pretty typical for altcoins. If we were to lose that level of support, your next little cluster here is coming in between about $15 to about $12. I don't think that's the likely scenario, but always a possibility. We could wick down there and then bounce back up, but I do think we're close to the bottom here for our friend Solana. That is it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, posting news and analysis, as well as the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the live DCA charts, and of course buy and take profit zones, so you can start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions. And at the $10 membership, my exact entries, exits, take profits, you can sign up through the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Sign up to Bybit. All right, take care, much love.